Welcome to our quick introduction to accounts payable, an essential part of business finance management. Whether you're new to finance or need a refresher, this guide will help you understand the basics in just a few minutes. Let's start with what accounts payable is, often abbreviated as AP. Accounts payable refers to the amount a company owes its suppliers or vendors for goods and services received. It's a liability, meaning it's what the company needs to pay out, usually within a short period. Why is this important? Managing your AP effectively ensures that your business can maintain a strong relationship with suppliers, manage its cash flow efficiently, and uphold a good credit rating. Let's dive into invoices. An invoice is more than just a bill. It's a detailed record of the goods or services provided, along with the amount owed and the terms of payment. Processing these invoices involves verifying their accuracy, approving them, and recording them in your accounting system. This step is crucial to prevent overpayments and keep your financial records accurate. Next up, making payments. Did you know? There are several ways to pay an invoice. This could be through checks, electronic transfers, or even credit card payments. The method you choose depends on your company's policies and your vendor's preferences. Payment scheduling is key. It's all about timing. Payments are usually scheduled based on the terms agreed upon in the invoice, and it's essential to adhere to these to avoid late fees and maintain good vendor relationships. Speaking of relationships, vendor management is a big part of accounts payable. Timely payments and clear communication go a long way in keeping these relationships positive. And don't forget about record keeping. Accurate records are not just for compliance. They're vital for analyzing your company's financial health. To sum up, accounts payable is about managing what you owe effectively. It's not just about paying bills. It's about strategic financial management. You've just scratched the surface of accounts payable. As you delve deeper, you'll discover how DOSIT makes all accounts payable processes a breeze.